This is the only fried chicken you need. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, perfectly fried. Let's get started. We're going to start by patting dry our wings. I already cut them, as you can see. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Give it a nice mix. Now we're going to season it. Now you can place this in the fridge if you like to kind of marinate a little bit, but I'm going to cook this right now. Now I have a cup of flour in here. I'm going in with about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it all together, and I'm going in with my seasoning. I have cayenne pepper, paprika, onion and garlic powder, ground black pepper, salt in here. To this, I'm going in with a cup of buttermilk. Actually 2 cups of buttermilk. Just going to mix that all together. Hold on. Just give it a nice mix. Now I'm going in with 2 eggs, a little bit of pickle juice, about 2 tablespoons, about 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Give that a mix. Just like so. And also I'm going in with half a cup of club soda. Now we have our batter ready to go. I have 1 cup of flour here that I'm going to season with a little bit of onion and garlic powder and paprika, no salt. Just going to mix it all together. Just like this. Oof, the garlic is strong in there. Give it a nice mix. And there you go. Your flour is ready. Just gonna pour this in here just to save us some time. Now grab your chicken from the batter. Allow the excess to drip. Add it to the flour. Now we're going to mix it with the flour just like this. And then we're going to fry it. Give it a shake. Just like this. My oil is currently at 350, and you can do this all at once. Add all your chicken in the flour, and then just add them to the hot oil. Ooh, just like this. This is gonna come out super crispy, absolutely flavorful. All right, now my chicken is nice and ready to go. Don't play with the crust. Y'all see it, absolutely crispy, okay? Oof, oof, oof. KFC ain't got nothing from this chicken. Y'all see it? Beautiful. The chicken is looking so good, y'all. This method is absolutely my favorite, as you can see. Look at that. Can't go wrong with that. Beautiful. You don't need another fried chicken recipe, okay? This right here, save it and make it. When I tell you this is absolutely flavorful, crispy, delicious. Oh my gosh. I cannot let y'all see me eating this food like this. Like, it's so good. I just want to devour it. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try this out. And also don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you are loving these type of recipes in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.